This is how to edit this kind of video where I was suspended in the air, as you can see in this very video. So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to record this kind of video and then edit it with just your smartphone using CapCut editing application. Alright, we are already in the CapCut editing application. Always bear in mind that I will be using this very yellow circle as a pointer to illustrate my point. If by this time you have not given us a follow on this page, do well to give us a follow for more video editing tutorial like this. Let me play the video so that you will understand how I recorded the video. I recorded myself lying down on a bench covered with green material, and I stood up and carried the stuff out of the space. And the second one, I demonstrated myself in this way. Now, this is what you will do. Take the video to the beginning like this. Now, trace the video to where you are about to stand up from the bench like this, and then come over to split and have it split. Now, trace it to where you carried the bench out of the screen or out of the camera. You split again, you come over to this middle one, highlight it and click on delete to remove it. What you need to do is to highlight this empty space like this. Now, come over to freeze, then to freeze the empty space. Okay, now you take it forward to where you walked into the camera, that is in the second clip. I recorded it using one stone to buy two birds. Okay, now from this end, position your cursor like this, then have the video highlighted, come over to split and split it. Come over to this middle one, highlight and click on delete to remove the empty background, leaving behind the first action video, the empty background which you freezed, and the last one is the second action video. Now this is what you will do. Come over to the first one, highlight it. Okay, now come over to overlay to bring it below this one. Okay, now come over to this second one and do the same, highlight it and swipe to overlay, which is this. Okay, to bring it down as well. Let me take it backward so that it will give space. Now what you need to do next is to head over to that freeze part of the empty background. Click and hold on this white portion here and take it to the left hand side, extend it to the ending part of this overlay. Okay, now the next thing which we need to do is to work on this very first overlay so that we can remove the background. Head over to remove BG, that is remove background. Click on it. Now click on chroma key. Having it clicked, you will understand that we have circle inside. Click on that circle and hold and just navigate through the screen. You will see that the green color has disappeared depending on the position I moved it to, leaving it like this. Come over to this very intensity, adjust it forward to make that very remaining green background to totally disappear from the screen. Here is okay. Now click on this check mark key to authenticate your action. Now left with the second clip of the overlay, which is this one. Having it taken it to the front like this, it has covered the entire screen like this. Now we want to remove the background. What you need to do is to highlight it like this by touching this thing. It's now highlighted. Now swipe to remove BG. Okay, click on it. What we are going to make use of now is this custom remover, not chroma key. So click on that custom remover button. Okay, now click on brush and reduce this brush size to 1. Having it reduced to 1, what you need to do is to come over to this very young guy here and start brushing inside it. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. Make sure that you only brush the guy. It will take time, but just calm down and do it. Okay, so the moment you are done shading the guy or brushing the guy, you click on this chroma key, as in that button, and allow this thing to read from that white position until it will go around on that very one. Alright, you can see that it has ticked green. What you need to do now is to play the video to know if everything is accurate. Alright, it's okay. What you need to do at this point is to have this one highlighted as it is now, and then come over here and use your two thumb to reduce the size so that it will be of the same height with the other guy. Okay, let's play the video again. Very nice. All right, all you have to do at this point is to come over to this end part of this one and reduce it so that all of them will end at the same place. Okay, what you need to do once you are done with that is to head over to this export button and have your video exported directly to your gallery. Help me share, okay, and follow this page if you have not done so. See you in my next tutorial. Thank you.